Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with a new Dollarama or Dollar Tree unboxing. I'm not sure which. This was a gift from my cousin Joni. And it is a paint set of a tomato on a rock. And I'm dying over how cute that is. And apparently there is a set, a tomato, an eggplant, a sunflower, and a carrot. These are super cute. So you know how you want to paint on rocks, right? So this has everything you need in the kit. I don't believe it's a real rock. So let's check it out. It's just adorable, and my dad just planted tomatoes a few weeks ago, so this would be so cute to put outside if it was varnish. I can't use varnish, but what? I don't think that's a real rock. I don't know what that's made of. It's really cool. I used to make stuff with molds. What was it called? I think it's that stuff. Anyway, so it is a tomato on a rock, and it gives you the little paint. And it also says it comes with a paintbrush, but the paintbrush isn't in the box, and I think that's my fault because I think it fell out and I misplaced it. Because I did open this box. I did open this box when my cousin gave it to me. So I think I just misplaced the little paintbrush. Yeah, it's not in there. But that's okay. I have a million paintbrushes, you guys. So, and I don't know if I'll use this paint. This is super cute, though. Isn't that cute? Maybe we'll do this together because I think it's adorable and it's like making my heart happy. I can't stop giggling when I look at it. It's just the cutest thing in the world. All right, you guys, I'm going to put this away and maybe do it real soon. Not today because I'm so overtired. You have no idea. But soon. I think, oh my God, I can't stop laughing at how cute that is. I love it so much. I want them all. I have to ask her where she got. Look at the eggplant. Oh my God. The carrot and the sunflower. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. I have the giggles. I'm going on only 3 hours sleep, you guys. I'm so sorry. Anyway, I hope you like this. And I apologize I can't give you the prices. If I do find the prices later online somewhere, I will put them in the bottom of the video. But if you know, let me know too. I don't care what she paid. Like, she got me a lot of stuff. Like, a lot. And anyway, this is just one of the things, and I think it's the thing I love the most. Look how cute that is. Why do I love this so much? It's so cute. So you know what? I used to have a pet rock when I was little. It's giving me a fancy pet rock vibe. Okay, this is going to be my pet tomato rock, and I am definitely putting a face on this sucker when I do it. Okay, like I want to do it right now. Okay, no, put it down. Put the tomato rock down. Do your outro. Okay. Guys, I'm losing my mind. I'm so tired. I hope you like this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button. Hit the subscribe. Hit the notification bell. All of those good things that help me as a channel. Thank you for tolerating me and my crazy moods and my babbling, as always. I really do appreciate you being here. I appreciate you taking time out of your day to spend with me. You guys are awesome. All right. Have a great day. Take care. Stay safe and happy crafting. Bye, guys.